Trading style, spot. Time frame, mid-term. Margin mode, isolated. Signal type, swing trade. Target time frame, about a month between take profits. Entry levels, 2.1438 to 2.4069. Take profit targets. Target 1, 3.5137. Target 2, 3.8407. Target 3, 4.0934. Target 4, 4.3572. Target 5, 4.6472. Stop loss, 1.2688. The secret to success in trading financial markets. Look carefully, don't rush, and trade with simple lines like trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Trade with me. Important recommendation: after reaching each take profit target, consider moving your stop loss to your entry price or the last take profit price. This helps protect profits and limit losses if the market trend changes. Trade entry: enter after a pullback for better opportunities. Disclaimer: this analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. Do your own research and use a proper risk management strategy before making any trades.